YouTube. We in that SRT. Nah, not a track, by the way. No supercharger. It got the 6.2 though. No supercharger though. I got a new engine in this hell. Y'all probably thinking a bit old as hell. Oh shit. Almost smacked. Yeah, I cannot push in the rain, bro. I'm finna blow my damn drive shaft off. Fuck that. Let me park somewhere and show y'all. My heart is beating out my chest right now. I almost macked. And I have a profession in macking cars. Holy shit. Guess I'll park here. I got a few upgrades that I need to do on this hoe, but I'm gonna show y'all. I got a few upgrades that I need to do on this hoe, but I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Show y'all the outside real quick. Shit. It's my baby. That did need a little upgrades and some more shit, man, you know? That'd be cool. That'd be cool for now, though. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look at that SS. That shit look nice as fuck. Hell yeah, though. Can't show the fucking license plate. Y'all gonna dox me. Oh shit. All right, I saw the outside. Let me see it. Make sure nothing messed up. Yeah, this hoe be breaking down fast as hell. I almost crashed, bro. It's crazy. That is crazy. All right, we're gonna do a quick little pull by the SS to show them who's boss. Damn. Get out of my way, bro. All right, I can't do nothing too crazy. It's raining and shit. Get out my way. All right, bet. Whenever it's dry, y'all gonna see. Cause right now, I don't have traction on this car, so like traction is disabled on this car. I'm not crashing this again. No, I don't think I've never hit anything with this hoe. I don't think I have. Bro, I always have to check this damn overheat shit, cause it be overheating sometimes. Getting annoyed at that seatbelt shit, bro. I'm just finna put it in the back of my seat so it doesn't say anything. Alright. I do not advise to do that, by the way. Put this bitch in custom mode. Nah, I'm not doing that. Last time I did that, I got cooked. I'm not gonna lie, I might just take my ass home. I'm scared of crashing this hoe. You just saw what happened earlier. Driving just slow and steady. I need dry roads, honestly. I need dry roads, because this right here is too wet. I'm gonna have to wait till later on to finish it. I did a small pull for y'all, but yeah, my Jeep does not like the rain. That's a little pull for y'all. Alright, I'm gonna chill now. My Jeep don't like getting beat up. My car is lowered to the point of non-existence, bro. So I hit every crack and bump. And that shit could cause problems as well. That sucks. That really does suck. I really should get it heightened, I guess. I should really get my heightened, bro. I would go downtown, but it's probably wet as hell over there too. So I'm just driving around this area for a little bit. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh no, I'm not. Bro, all these bumps, bro. I gotta get my shocks replaced too, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit! I'm gonna have to bleep out all those cuss words, bro. I need to find a nice open road. Nah, I'm gonna chill because I just almost slid the freak out. Almost hit a damn pothole. Hit the curb. Oh, okay. Yep, just did it again. Yeah, I need a straight, clear road. In Houston, bro, these roads are all messed up. Every single one of them hoes are messed up. Every single one. I can't even do a full pull. Only on the highway. But that hoe's raining too, so I might spin out and hit somebody. And there's another thing, I'm not doing that. Oh my god. Yeah, but these roads are atrocious, bro. Very deadly. Very, very deadly. Oh, it's a Dodge. No traction on these roads. Oh, bro, finna hit me. If you know about this street, then you know. Oh, is that a? Why he got a wide body on the back, but not on the damn front? That was weird. Oh, okay, I can do a small little pull here, I think. That was a small one. I'm gonna have to wash my car again, too. Oh my god, I should have never went outside. Hell yeah, bro. It's my baby Jeep. I'm gonna be doing upgrades on this one, showing y'all. Probably get the headlights changed next. And then I gotta fix the bumper because that was coming off from previous activities. But yeah, I thought this was smoke coming from my car. And I'd be hearing ticking and shit. Be thinking it's coming from my car. Hell no. My heart be dropping. What y'all think about the carbon fiber, bro? What y'all think about the steering wheel? I like the steering wheel. Shit ran me like 600, bro. It usually has the LED light up, but my car got stolen a while back, and they took the damn OBD port that goes into it. So I'm gonna have to get another one. But I don't really care about the rev match shit. Oh, okay. It looks like we're starting to get some normal dry ground, so I'm about to try something real quick. Oh, never mind. Losing traction. I barely have any traction at all. That really made me mad though. Now when I put it in sport, it'll definitely geek up a little bit. Nope. It's too wet outside. It's too wet. My car's saying chill out. And I'm gonna chill. I'm so confused though. Like, this road is very dry, so why are you spinning? Why are you spinning, Jeep? By somebody's house and check. I'm like, what the hell is this dude doing? Is he trying to rob us? No, I'm not trying to rob you guys. I'm trying to check on my vehicle, dude. I'll be taking my key out the car because I get very paranoid easily. All right, let's see what the problem is. Also, he says not a hawk, so don't roast me in the comments. Trying to see something. It's like my shocks do not work. And you can see this house is very, very lowered. Like, it's heavily lowered. Lowered to the point of existence, bro. I don't care about the... I'll blur that out. This was heavily freaking lowered. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, so my phone died while recording or whatever. So I'm about to redo this because I don't even think it caught the last part or whatever. I don't think it caught it. This dude needs to get out my way so I can park somewhere, bruh. Come on, bruh. You're making me mad. Let me park, dude. Look at this guy behind me. I don't think I can see it. This guy's behind me, bro. I'm just trying to park somewhere and show y'all something. Oh, snap. How do I flip this? I'm recording on my iPhone, man. I usually use a camera. Bro, so I literally have to press record and stop recording to flip my camera. That's cool. That's just awesome, bro. That's just amazing. I don't know where I am. People are probably kind of scared of me being in this area with this type of car. So I'm gonna get the heck out of here. If a buddy can let me go, I will get out of your neighborhood, man. Just allow me to leave. I was just in a good area, and then now it's just... Every time I try to pull right now, it's like... It just spins, so I'm gonna wait and do it later. You see what I mean about that little handle right there? It needs to go down, but okay, there we go. I'm telling you, bro, that stuff be getting me paranoid. That stuff be getting me real paranoid. These Jeeps are freaking money pits. But I mean, fuck it, we've all. Alright. Yeah, I can't really... Oh, snap! No, I'm just kidding, I saw that. I was trying to turn on my wipers. Okay. So, back to the video, yeah. I was parked. Bro, why is my back window wiper? Oh, hold on. I got ADHD, so I need to make sure this is on. Alright, how the heck do I turn this off? I don't really use the rear wipers. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, okay. I got it off. Okay. But nah, like I was saying, the car is not letting me push right now. It must be with the traction, because I don't have traction on this car. So I can do donuts and stuff. But I've done donuts multiple times, and I'll break the drive shaft in minutes. I have to buy a new drive shaft. And I'm not doing that again. Nope. I'm definitely not. You like my vape? It's a limited edition, bro. Oh, snap. Alright, I'm gonna keep these on because it's raining. I'm about to go home though, because it's too, what is the word again? It's too wet outside. I can't do much. It's about to get darker. It seems like it's finna heavily rain, so I'm not even finna deal with that, bro. I'm not. What do y'all think of the car though? Y'all fucking with it? Well, I can't cuss. I can't cuss on YouTube. I forgot. Y'all rocking with it? It needs some work, I know. This is my baby though. Giving me a lot of problems, is what I mean. I hate potholes. I hate how lowered this car is because every time I hit a pothole, the car takes damage. Where am I? See, I'm smelling oil. Time to take this big back home. But nah, I'll make some more content later with the car. I don't like driving in the rain that much in this type of car, just because I don't have traction. So don't forget to like and subscribe, I guess. I'll see y'all later. One more pull, bro. Hold on. You hear them pops though. Why did it not pop that time? I can't run no damn stop sign, bro.